Hey.
I don't need, cheering up or whatever.
Okay. So, maybe this wasn't the most subtle idea, but Steph's been planning this for days and days. She really cares about you.
I do want to do this. It's just... Everyone's been working so hard. And if I'm not happy, they'll all be disappointed.
Must be weird having a bunch of adults pressuring you to dress up in a costume and act like you're having fun.
Yeah, especially my mom. She always looks so... sad. 'Cause I'm, bummed out. But I can't just pretend.
So, don't pretend. Just be yourself. Or yourself with a foam sword and a funny hat.
But what if I'm still, not having fun?
Then don't. That's fine too. No one will be disappointed in you for being you.
All right. But I don't want to do it alone. You have to help me.
Of course.
Thanor, the Monster Slayer! Thanks to the gods and all the heavens you've come. I am in desperate need of a great hero. Could you be the one? Please, tell me of your exploits.
There's a bunch of stuff. Maybe my bard can sing something about me.
Oh, sure. A horde of ogres. That's a lot. Thanor slew them with a single shot.
My goodness. So, you must be Thanor's bard, Alwyn, whose songs have magical powers. It sounds like you are exactly the heroes I need. My name is King Tabor. The age of monsters has come upon my kingdom. Horrible creatures stalk the streets. My people live in constant fear. But there's hope. An ancient prophecy describes 3 mysterious gems, known as soul jewels, that can save us all. I need you to go search the kingdom, survive whatever's out there, and bring me back those jewels. Do you understand?
Yeah. Yes.
Good. Then you must go, now. My people are counting on you.
Should we start with the main road?
Okay.
Time to find some jewels.
So you're seriously Alwyn?
Don't you recognize me?
Oh. Yeah. Of course.
It's been a long time since Carneris.
Exactly.
Those were good times, huh? Except for the spiders.
Yeah.
Gotta say, Jed's king voice is pretty convincing.
How do we
Please, find the 3 jewels. Time is of the essence.
Right. We're on it.
Alex really saved the day. Gabe would be proud.
Thanks, Jed.
Looking cool.
Is that a scroll of paper?
What is that?
It's a magic scroll we can use in fights.
Oh, awesome. We should find as many as we can.
Is this what a real quest feels like? The jewels could be anywhere. Wow. Hard to see that in the grass.
What did you just find?
A gold coin.
Do you think there's more of them?
I don't know. Let's keep looking. Okay. It's a wolf.
A direwolf.
Shit, what do we do?
I think we have to fight it.
Stirring him! Double Thanor's next attack.
Burning Blade! 2 damage, and you're on fire for the next 2 turns.
2 damage. I'm still on fire.
Untuned cord. 1 damage.
Huh. 2 damage. Loot. Oh, cool. I learned a magic attack.
1 damage to allies? Better be nice to Thanor.
Let's keep going. What do you think this key is for?
Maybe it unlocks something in one of these stores. I should probably drop in on Riley and thank her in person. Huh. Did Ethan drop this?
I swung over the top once.
No way. Prove it. I'll give you $1 if you can.
I did! I don't have to prove it. I'm gonna tell my mom you called me a liar.
Do it, dude. I dare you.
Gabe, you would have really had fun with all this.
Did we really just kill a dire wolf? What did you think of that fight?
It wasn't too bad. You kicked ass. The monsters don't stand a chance.
Thanks.
Sorry, Ryan. It was self-defense.
I must look like such a goofball. So much for being hot.
Hot and goofball are not mutually exclusive. At least in my book. Wasn't it a pack of dire wolves that attacked the amphitheater?
The night that we met?
Yeah.
A dark memory. Our partnership was the only silver lining.
How do we know for sure it's dead? Should we tickle it?
Stop it. Be serious.
Sorry, Ryan. It was self-defense.
Let's go to the peach.
It's cute, right?
Peach ice cream cake? I don't know. I want something people can't stop talking about. I want every kid ordering one for their birthday.
Then let's keep trying. Well, now, who do we have here?
Thanor the Monster Slayer. And my bard.
And what you up to, Thanor?
Saving your lives. There's monsters out there. Orcs and minotaurs and such. Be careful.
Sounds dangerous.
How about a dragon with a candy treasure hoard, chocolate coins, sugar pearls, gummy jewels,
Yes, I love that.
mint chocolate chip for the dragon, topped with fire cinnamon candies?
I'd say you're on fire yourself.
Oh, I bet we can use that.
Found a scroll?
Yeah. Can't hide with a ribbon that bright. Got another scroll.
Cool.
That's gonna get soggy if I leave it there.
We're like master scroll seekers.
Yup. Looks like the Black Lantern is part of the LARP.
Heed my warning, you traveling twosome, for within that tavern it is quite gruesome.
I know this guy. He's one of Steph's coworkers.
I can't remember the last time I had this much fun.
That makes two of us.
Hey, let's hear your riddle.
There are three, it is said, heroes long dead. fashioned into soul jewels, blue, violet, red. What are their names? Do not be misled.
How are we supposed to know that?
Maybe we can look for some clues.
I would gladly work at a place called Gullweather's Tavern. Whoa, what's that about? Looks like you dropped something, Diane.
It just pisses me off so bad, you know? The way this world is designed to make you into a horrible person. That's just the price we pay for safety and security, I guess.
Is it? Are you sure?
Of course! That's how it works. You sharpen your teeth or you starve.
Diane's trying so hard to be a ruthless monster that she just might become one.
Wanna look in here?
Yeah. Let's go in. What happened here?
Fellow survivors, I see.
Are you the bartender here?
Nope. Monster ate all of the staff. We'll have to serve ourselves.
Do you know what this key is for?
Belonged to Barry, the tavern keeper. That's his leg over there.
Oh.
So, if you want to try all of the locks, I'm sure he won't stop you.
Let's see what we can find around here. It's so sweet of Ducky to participate in this.
I'm a genius for convincing Steph that my character should be alone behind the bar. All the drinks I want.
Not sure how I feel about that. I wonder if Alwyn the Bard would have cracked the tavern top 20. We're gonna have to deal with this, aren't we? Steph really went all out in here. Someone knows how to keep Thanor busy.
Any luck opening the chest?
Yeah, but it's empty so far. Okay, I think I checked all the compartments.
I actually feel bad for that person.
If there was a monster, and you only had your guitar, would you smash their head with it? Be honest.
Yeah, I couldn't do it. I love this guitar.
That's okay. You could just run.
Yeah? Ugh, rough day for Barry the Tavern Keeper. House barred. Sorry, Steph. Alwyn is pretty happy with her current gig. Oh, hey, a coin. I want to focus on Ethan right now. What happened to the rest of the music? Oh gosh, I think Ducky dropped this.
The 13th quinquennial meeting of the Daegu Biscuit Boys is hereby called to order. I'm sorry to announce that all 6 of us remain upright and above ground.
First point of order. Ducky, if you had to guess, though, about how much longer you fixing to live?
Just long enough to collect, Gordon, and not a minute longer. I'll crawl graveward with your shares clutched in my stiffening fingers. You mark my words.
Ducky is in a tontine.
That better be washable.
What do you want? You want to make fun of me too, like those other jock assholes?
What? No. You made a sick killer robot and won a fucking contest.
First of all, we got 3rd place. And anyway, he's not a robot. Technically, he's... Ugh, God. Way to take the bait, right?
You know what? Fuck those pricks. You rule. And I would really like to see your robot. If you want to show me.
Here we go. This probably has the answer to that riddle. Steph thought of everything. She's amazing at this. must need diversions too. Guess Lawrence is gonna need a new business advisor.
Yes?
How did you survive the attack?
Well, I'm not proud of it, but I tripped an elderly woman. She had it coming. Stingy dish wench.
I see you've poured yourself some ale. You just survived a monster attack. I think you deserve a couple drinks on the house.
Truly wise beyond your years.
Want to tell them about our quest?
We're on a quest to end the Age of Monsters. So you won't have to live in fear anymore.
Are you now? Let me give you something that you may find useful.
Thanks. I'm gonna go ahead and guess we'll be meeting a snake. We're gonna keep looking around.
Good luck.
So gorgeous. Where does Steph get all this stuff? Thanor! Did you see this?
That's got to be it! It's one of the jewels! One down, 2 to go.
That wasn't so bad, right? Now I feel more confident we can find the others.
Glad you finally believe in us.
That's not what I meant. So gorgeous. Where does Steph get all this stuff? In retrospect, this is so obviously a decoy.
I dare say, Alex is my favorite employee.
Ducky's affection. So easily bought.
I was having such a quiet morning.
We're gonna have to deal with this, aren't we? Did you see this warning?
Yeah, that's a bad situation. Trolls are ruthless. Bye.
Godspeed. Godspeed.
Check out what I found in that chest.
Nice work, Thanor.
There was some really interesting stuff in there.
Now you look pale. I told you so. Ready to answer? I'll say it once more. There are 3, it is said, heroes long dead, fashioned into soul jewels, blue, violet, red. What are their names? Do not be misled.
Their names are... The answer is Nira, Dacis, and Belen.
You solved the riddle you've been told. Your prize? A useful hint. Behold. To bribe that deadly troll of old, you have to pay 4 coins of gold.
4 coins. Got it.
There's more. Because you solved my verse, you may take 1 gold from my purse.
Guess that's for us.
Thanks.
I wish...
Can we hear another riddle?
Oh, shit. Sorry. I only had 1 prepared.
This guy's a fraud, I have declared.
Not bad, Thanor.
Aren't I supposed to be the one teaching you how to throw?
You'd have to be athletic to do that.
Whoa, go easy on me.
Maybe you can teach me the finer points of craft beer.
Oh my god, I came out here to have a good time, you little bully. Hey, what's all this?
Too busy to talk right now. Sorry.
Knock him dead? Ethan's back to his old self, thank God. What a great kid.
Ethan's got a lot of people who care about him.
Sorry, did you say she stole your crochet needles? Hooks, whatever. Mom, I don't know. Well, how do you know it was her? Maybe you just lost them. She might not be hogging the blue yarn. She might just need it. Whoa, there are no sides here. I'm just... Yeah, no, you're right. I haven't met her. Hey, kid. You responsible for that massacre in the Black Lantern?
We're the good guys.
Right, of course. What? No, not a real massacre. Yeah, it's with props, like theater. No, Mom, it's a very safe town. I don't know what the crime numbers are. It's fine. No, don't look it up. Just don't worry about it.
I'll be taking that.
I saw that. Like, right before you picked it up.
Okay, you can have the credit.
No, I don't care. I'm just saying.
Too late. Credit's yours. Could there be something down the alley? Could there be something down the alley?
It's boring.
Why is my dead lover talking?
We're lovers?
Yeah, that's what Steph said.
Oh.
Shh, they're here. Woe is me. Woe is me. Behold, my love has been slain by yonder river monster.
Where?
Just down the... yonder... alley. Near the river. Alas, alas.
Wow. That actually felt really sad.
Yeah, right? I would definitely miss you. If you were eaten.
Beware of river monster. Some kind of snake?
I guess.
Do we have to fight it?
Why wouldn't we?
I mean, it's kind of cute, isn't it? And not goofy looking at all.
What are you talking about? It's gonna attack. What do you want to do?
Ophidian chime. Snakes within hearing must fall asleep.
Pretend that's a low sound. Snake's ears are internal, so they can't hear.
Nice.
This is.
More loot.
All right, let's make some ears bleed.
Wait. What's that? It's like a dragon scale or something.
Maybe it's got magical powers. Let's hang on to it.
Yeah. That was so smart of you to use the bell.
It worked out, didn't it? Shit, that didn't take long. Can't wait to transfix some monsters with my sweet hypnotic jams.
Did you actually think the snake was cute?
I actually did, yes.
You're weird.
Nuh-uh, you are. Can't hide from me, Scroll. Did you see this scroll first?
No.
All right. He's brave and he's honest.
Okay. We handled the river serpent.
Thank you, adventurers.
But you should probably clean up that body.
They say you've put the snake to sleep. Well done, my friends. It was a creep.
I bet there's something fun in the record store.
Appreciates my fine work. No one. These so-called heroes are the worst of the bunch. Sell swords and vagrants. The whole lot of them. Half of them wouldn't even recognize Sun Silver. Wouldn't even notice if I got the components right, would they? How can I be expected to remember anything with all these monsters running around? We need heroes in more than name. We need action. Blasted Sun Silver crest. Pah! Oh there! I hear you've dealt with the river serpent, huh? More than just talk, are you? Perhaps the magpie can help you on your quest. Step inside if your heart is true.
Interesting.
It's really sweet how many people Steph's roped into this. Everything okay? You seem pretty, grumpy.
I've forgotten the damn components of Sun Silver. Don't suppose you know the composition?
If we find out, we'll tell you.
I won't hold my breath. Bah! What a thankless life. Being a smith in the age of monsters.
Whoa, he's really into this. I'm guessing this is a fancy art gallery. Wait, no, a pet shop. Go for it.
Monster or mortal?
Mortal.
Come in. Sorry about the lock. These are dangerous times. Welcome to the Magpie Emporium.
Oh. So, this is like a magic shop.
I'm gonna take a look around a bit, okay?
Okay.
Let's see what Steph's done to the place. Holy shit. Steph looks fantastic.
Alex is allowed to think Ryan's hot. I need to get over it.
Never seen Steph all twisted up like this before. Surely she knows she's hot too. She's always so confident.
That's not ominous at all. I'd like to try one of those bard instruments, please.
You'll need to schedule a private appointment.
I'll do that. Oh, hey, Sunsilver. We should tell that blacksmith. Man, my dating life could have used a truth spell or two. As a classically trained bard, I gotta say, this music's not bad.
He's forging the sky sword of power.
Oh yeah?
One day, Thanor's gonna find it.
That actually looks legit. Golems. Animation fee not included. Oh, Steph. Spells. Very cute, Steph.
Are these spells for sale?
To members of the Sorcery Guild only. Sorry.
Wonder if they have drills for this.
Seeking insight? Draw a card. Huh. What do I want insight about? Yikes. Chaos and destruction. Yeah. No shit. Holy shit. Too real. Steph is just awesome. What do I want insight about? Wow, I really like this card. What?